a good ship. You can tell when they chime like this.
What?
The tone. The ship has a good tone. Thanks. Are you trying to sleep?
Only a little.
Well, the noise will stop once we have the last of the hull plates in attached.
When is that gonna be?
12 hours. 18 if I do it perfect. 6 if you don't mind dying later on.
18 sounds great.
It's going to stay loud. You could go back to your room or the station, catch some actual shut-eye.
No. But the Roci's home. I'll get some earplugs.
There's a rato, your skull, do swallow. Earplugs won't help.
Holden, I know that you're avoiding me, and I just want to let you know that I understand, really. I do. But also, I haven't been completely honest with you.
I'm shocked.
There is another piece to this. I have been holding on to it because if it gets out, it's going to send some people running for cover. But it proves that someone is going after the Protomolecule. Meet me, and I will tell you about it. Just you. I've got a room on level 8. I'm embedding the directions.
I appreciate your candor about not being candid, but there's really nothing I can do.
But it proves that someone is going after the Protomolecule.
God